Hey guys, here with the 4495 setup ute that we have just completed. Wanted to run you guys through the entire build. I'm going to go over pretty much the entirety of this vehicle so you guys know what we've done to it. Got my trusty list here, / job card of what we've done on the ute, so let's get into it. Starting at the front, carbon winch, 12,000 pound. Great bit of kit. Those things have a remote as standard as well, so you do have your hardwired option, but you can obviously use the remote control that comes with the kit also. As you can see on the front, we've done the ATD custom bar work as well. We have remote mounted the winch control box. As you can see on the front of it, it is literally just the lights, UHF aerials, no big box or anything like that on the front of the bull bar. Dual side rails and steps have gone on. Michael's opted for the custom lettering in there of the Great Northern to spice it up, a little bit of personality into it, why not? On the front of the bar, steady Type X Pros with the silver accents in the rings for him, and accompanying that on the front also the GME UHF 6.6 antenna, along with our Selfie Go antenna by RFI. We've done the Selfie Go on this vehicle because Michael's obviously doing a bit of remote stuff, so that is going to help boost his phone signal when he's out and about doing those sorts of trips. Moving around to the side, we've got the Fatz Fabrication snorkel. Those guys have done the snorkel and the airbox. That was chosen by Michael to obviously go on this vehicle. A little bit of custom work to fit it in with the 4495 kit from JMACX because they use a hydro booster rather than a dual diaphragm in the big kits. It's a little bit longer, so we kind of had to make up some special brackets to make the fuel filter, the pre-filter that is, work with the airbox and the power steering reservoir as well. We've done that, pretty happy with the end result. It's come up smick. Staying under the bonnet, we have done the catch can as well, right next door to our Red Arc BC-DC. Michael is looking at doing a full canopy setup a little bit further down the track, so we just stuck with the basic setup for now. That way you can still obviously run a fridge, all that kind of stuff. All right, so on the top of this thing, we've got the brand new Rhino rack platform. We have run our steady 41.5 and 13.4s on the sides. That is a very, very popular thing that we do on these racks. These ones can handle a 50-inch light bar. Michael's gone for the 41, it looks pretty sweet. The side bars are just great for camping, even great for four-wheel driving, to be honest. If you're out and about at night, you just need that little bit extra light. These things work really, really well to flood out the sides as well. Along with that dual battery system, we've done the jump start feature. Also, great little feature to get yourself out of trouble if your start battery ever does go flat. Like I said before, this is a 4495 chassis setup in this vehicle. So, as soon as the truck came to us, ute, sorry if I keep saying that, people, ute. As soon as the cruiser came to us, the vehicle was sent to JMACX. We don't do the chopping in-house, that is done by those guys because they have the correct accreditation and everything that needs to happen to do that. Then it comes back to me, basically as a rolling chassis, so nothing in the back except an axle to get it here. Then we throw everything to do with the coil setup into the vehicle. Another thing that is included in that setup, tank as well, so Brown Davis tank, Breda brake lines, and then we've done 4-inch 35s as well. These chassis are a substantial piece of equipment. They are definitely something that has had a lot of thought go into them, a lot of engineering, and a lot of testing to get them to where they are. Cool thing about it, you get your 4-ton brake toe capacity as well, so 4495 GVM, and 4-ton brake toe capacity, ready to rock and roll. Another awesome thing about the 4495 incorporated into the chassis is a rear winch cradle. We have done another 12,000 pound carbon winch at the rear. Airbags as well. All right, let's talk airbags for a second. So in our JMACX setups, airbags is a standard feature when you coil it. And then we've done a Airbag Man in-cab control system in this one, which we have done in the driver's rear toolbox. A compressor, which we've done in the driver's rear toolbox, and then we've done a real nice big alley tank up under the body of the vehicle that is pretty much going to put air to our bags, and we've got an outlet on the back to obviously pump up tyres. Cool thing about the Airbag Man kits is they do come with a inflator and a nice reel for you as well. That's all included in the kit. Solenoid setup that is in behind the rear passenger seat in the vehicle. Controlling the solenoid up the front, we've got the switches for up and down, left and right, so you can air up both sides. In the dash, keeping an eye on the airbags is our digital gauge there. Pretty much tell you exactly what you have in your bags. Another thing that goes with the JMACX kit is the exhaust system. So talk it to the 3.5-inch DPF back setup, which just works seamlessly with the coils. Michael's gone all out with the shocks on the 4495 setup. He's gone with the Kings. Adjustable remote res shockies. I've got them in ours. They are awesome. I really do like them. They work really well with the JMACX setup. Moving inside, we have done Department of Interior floor console. Incorporated in that is our scan gauge. We've done a pass-through for the UHF handpiece also. It does have a dual USB there for charging, which is definitely handy. Best little upgrade you can do in the 70 is one of these floor consoles. To have that armrest there for you, because the genuine one is rubbish, it just makes it that so much more comfortable. Tow Pro has gone in as well, guys. We've done a Anderson plug to support that as well. That way Michael can hook up to anything and everything that he wants to tow, and he'll be ready to do that, having his electric brakes and a charging point there as well. So Michael has gone with the Norwell tray setup. These guys obviously do a tray to suit the 4495 chassis. Wicked bit of kit, can't deny it. That's where we house our compressor in one of the boxes, and we've thrown a couple of little steady 13.4s at the back for a assisting reverse light. Well guys, that is it for me for now. I'll let you go. I hope you enjoyed having a look over Michael's vehicle. I'm loving the silver, it does look cool. He did say to me, is it too much silver? And I said, it works. So thank you guys. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe as well if you haven't done. Can't wait to see you guys when we do another vehicle. Cheers.